Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Royal Caribbean Suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this particular category is an OceanView Suite, 2-bedroom. I'm going to show you the entire space here, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on hartravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, I absolutely love this suite. There's only one of them on the ship, and it's really unique for the fleet. This space actually used to be the concierge club. The coffee machine was right over there, and I remember that from when I sailed on Serenade 10, 15 years ago. Now, when they added the concierge lounge and the diamond lounge up above, they turned this into a dynamic 2-bedroom suite. It's a phenomenal one for so many different configurations. The one important thing to note before we head through the space is there is not a balcony. There's a massive panoramic window, so I find this especially great for families with younger children or groups traveling together. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you're gonna have this nice long entry hallway. You're gonna have storage off to the side here. So this is the first closet that we'll encounter. You got hanging storage here and then storage up and down. Now let's check out the second bedroom first. So you've got 2 twin-size beds. It is important to note that this does not separate, so you're always gonna have the 2 twin bed configuration in here. You've got the 2 beds that pull down as well, and then just tucked around the corner right here, you're gonna find a little bit more of that storage space. So you've got a closet right here. Okay, storage up and down. You've also got hanging storage, and I like that it's a floor-to-ceiling mirror on the outside, so you can use it to get ready. So you're gonna have the vanity space for that, and then you also have this as well. Now, in addition to being 2 bedrooms, it is 2 full bathrooms as well. So I'll step in here, you've got your vanity, this opens up, you've got storage in there, you've got the toilet tucked in the corner, and I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy. I do love that I can actually fit in here, and instead of having the shower curtain, they have those wonderful shower doors that give you a little extra space. So you're gonna have your shower wand right here, it's adjustable up and down. Now, something that I wanted to point out, because this suite was added on later, you're gonna have upgraded decor compared to the rest of the ship. Now, as we head into the main bedroom, I wanted to point out one of my all-time favorite features. It's a door. I do love my family, but having that extra level of separation is such a benefit on a cruise, and you don't find it all that often. Now, you've got a royal king-size bed that does separate apart into 2 twins if you prefer that configuration. Tons of storage underneath, and then you've got storage to tuck away on either side of the nightstand. You've got shelves up and down for storage. Right here, you're gonna find your closet. So in there, you'll find your safe. Perfect size for a small device, maybe passport wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. You've got storage up and down here, and then a little more hanging storage there as well. Next, you're gonna find your small writing desk that does double as a vanity. You've got lights on either side, 3 US plugs and a Euro plug. Now, there aren't any plugs right next to the bed, so I always bring an extra battery backup. I can charge it during the day, and then I can put it on my nightstand and charge my phone in the evening. Now, there's a little bit more storage on the sides here, and across from the bed, you're gonna find a flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, you have a second full bathroom. I'm gonna step in here right now. Now, this is a shower tub combo. I like that you have the separate shower in the other room. Don't have to worry about the shower curtain there. I've traveled a lot with my family, and having a bathtub is such a benefit when traveling with kids, or if you want to soak and a bubble bath. You've got an adjustable shower wand right there, toilet tucked in the corner, a nice large vanity here, and then these doors do open up, so you have storage where you can put your things away. Now, because you're in a suite, you're gonna get those upgraded Malin and Getz bath amenities, in addition to some of the Gilchrist and Soames amenities as well. It's really nice to have those upgrades throughout your stay. So now we're in the large living room space. I did want to mention that this is a full suite, so you're going to get those double crown and anchor points. You're also going to get the concierge lounge that you can utilize throughout your stay. In addition to having the happy hour in the evening in that nice separate space, you also have continental breakfast in the morning, hors d'oeuvres in the evening, and access to the concierge who will really make your stay incredible. In addition, you have the suite sun deck and also the special seating in the main theater. There's all kinds of suite amenities that you're going to take advantage of throughout your stay. Now, another one of those is that you can order from an expanded room service menu. You can dine right here in your room with the dining room table. You've got another large flat panel TV, a little bit more storage underneath. Your mini fridge is tucked underneath there, and you're gonna have a Lavazza coffee maker. Now, I start my day every day at home with an Italian coffee. I love that I can do it right here on the ship as well. Now, as we continue through the space, I mentioned that you can have up to 8 people in here. This would be the last sleeping space, so that couch does fold out into a bed. So you'd have 4 in the entry bedroom, 2 in here, and you can put up to 2 here as well. You've got 2 nightstands there, or they can just be a side table, a little bit of storage. You've got a large coffee table in the middle and 2 chairs. But what makes this suite so unique and special is the incredible floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows. Now, I mentioned earlier there is not a balcony here. For me and my family, that's not a big deal at all. In fact, traveling with my daughter when she's little, I think it's a big advantage. So you can sit here and dine, sit at the table or at the couch and just take in these incredible views wherever you're sailing in the world. Now, when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, and Silversea, make sure you reach out to Harr Travel. We know that we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, and group at an incredible value.